Welcome folks to my first video with hopefully audio. I don't know if you could hear me, but we're gonna be playing a game and I guess now let's get some wool, some ladders, and 2 fireballs. You'll try the others, and then I get destroyed by the destroyer. Wait now. No, my five. If I don't die once this game, you all have to like and subscribe the video and watch me. Oh, so boy does not count. Boy does not count this time. Subscribe. So powerful. And I'm telling you, if I tell right like that. Oh, well then, guess I'm not getting like it. Oh, I found my cousin. It's okay, 5. Stop. Didn't say nice. Okay, so let's see. I got 3 kills. Oh, neat. It's okay. Apple. Someone. We'll take toxic games. Even though it's on my team, yes. Letting. Triple counts. And I threw the diamond because I didn't want them to get it. It's 1 diamond. Maybe they had 7 diamonds. And if that thing got shot, they could have got shot. You always have to be prepared. I got 1. Oops. What? No, there's always a. If you wanted to find them cruisers on those, because that's what. It's because I'm not the best at solos. Even though these are cheap, but I prefer this because I got teammates to rely and this way I can work with friends more. By the way, the last video I made when there was some audio, that was not me talking. That was my friend. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? Okay, you might not, in that video you might not watch, but watch that part in slow. So you can understand what you're saying. It's like, I barely saw it, but like, okay, I'll show you what I pushed the ladder to clutch me up and allowed me to do a bit more damage to him. I didn't kill him, but I was able to weaken him, and I only died because I missed. I would have said, yeah, 4 kills damage is actually, well, I might time it. No, yeah, so far I'm on master. Oh my god, my kill rate is 6. Oh, I was trying to clutch up. I was trying to clutch up. I couldn't clutch that. Axe. Why am I getting an axe? Because an axe is good. Axe does more damage than a sword, and it can mine wood faster. So kind of it's pretty cool. Oh no, you're an axe me. Just see you. Oh God. Yeah, man. I don't know what I just did. So by the way, if I'll say, by the way, George, so stop. I'm just saying, I feel like it might be. But I didn't say anything. Okay. Nothing I don't have to do it. Not said that, but yeah, my yeah. Stop. What's in my head? We have it. Okay, that was just embarrassing. Please don't. Because unsubscribe. Oh, I got sort of accent. What is wrong with me and accidentally getting that some sort is weak. Yo, lost a bird? I can't let him spend it. Yes, he is. And he spent it. Oh my god. Let's go. He had easy stuff. He's probably so mad. I got a feeling if that was a file, I would have made him rage quit. Oh my. That's why you should. That's right. You should. That's right. You should always be shopping. Shopping quick. Oh my. Is that you? That's my teammate. I'm gonna admit it. I'm gonna admit it. Let's get. Can I strike? No. Can I strike? No. Okay. Sorry about that, Thomas. I'm just very angry. What to do? Okay. I'm going for yellow. That there is someone annoying. Is yellow.